In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Albums app, and to clean it right away, much faster than usual, decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums sections at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Over here you can click on this icon at the top right corner with a check mark, and click on this one at the top left one to pick all of your photos right away. To keep some, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wanna delete them from albums, click on an album and do exactly the same. Quick tip: if you deleted any photo by accident, just hit recently deleted, hold it, and tap on restore button at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!